What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be making some salmon patties. So this is our ingredients here. We got about 14 ounces of pink salmon. Um, Bumblebee, you can use whatever brand you like. 2 eggs, quarter onion, some Creole seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of salt and pepper. We're going to need about a tablespoon of mayo and about a cup and a half of panko bread seasonings, breadcrumbs. So let's get started. Okay, now we'll start by putting our ingredients together. Salmon, seasonings, and what I'll do is first is just kind of mix your seasonings together. So everything gets kind of mixed together. So we'll do our eggs. Okay, after you grab it back out of the refrigerator, you want to add your salt and pepper. Then you can start to make your patties. And while you're waiting on that, you can get your grease warm in your pan. I like onions in mine, as you can see. I think it just adds a little flavor. If you're not really an onion person, you can leave out the onions, but I love onions in mine. Okay. More importantly, wash your hands 8 million times. So I'm a little ashy. It's because I wash my hands plentiful. You can see getting the grease warm. I like to do like a medium heat. Kind of cooks it evenly. You do what works best for you. All right, I think we're about up to temperature. Full kind of fit in there at a time. You want to do kind of like 5 minutes or so on each side. You can kind of check throughout. Get that nice crispy brown appearance. Get those bad boys flipped over. Let's say about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And 15-20 minutes later, finished product. Got to put it to the fork test now. So let's grab a fork. Let's get into that. Delicious. Thank you for watching.